To set up a PayPal account, start by going to the PayPal website and clicking on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to choose between a personal or business account. Depending on your needs, a personal account is suitable for individuals who want to make online purchases or send money to friends and family, while a business account is designed for merchants who want to accept payments online. Once you have selected the type of account you want to create, you will be asked to provide some basic information, such as your name, email address, and password. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password to protect your account. Next, you will be asked to provide some additional information, such as your address and phone number. This information is used to verify your identity and prevent fraud. You will also be asked to link a funding source, such as a bank account, credit card, or debit card, to your PayPal account. This will allow you to add funds to your account and make payments. After you have completed the sign-up process, you will receive an email from PayPal to confirm your account. Click on the link in the email to activate your account and start using PayPal. You can then log into your account and explore the various features and settings available, such as setting up payment preferences and tracking your transactions. To ensure the security of your account, make sure to keep your password and account information confidential and up to date. You can also add an extra layer of security to your account by enabling two-factor authentication, which requires you to enter a code sent to your phone or email in addition to your password. In conclusion, setting up a PayPal account is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions to secure your account, you can start using PayPal to make online payments and send money to others safely and securely.